Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove window regulator on Mazda 3 in just 13 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you have to remove those plastic caps from the inner door handles. So use a flat blade screwdriver to pop those plastic caps out. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to remove those two bolts. Remove the handle frame using a flat blade screwdriver. Then remove that plastic part from the door using a flat blade screwdriver. You just have to pop it out from the clips. Then pry the door panel from the clips starting from the bottom side and then lift it up and take it out. Start from the bottom side and then lift it up to take it out. Don't forget to disconnect the connector from the window bottom. Then disconnect the connector from the window motor, pressing on that white tab. Then remove those 3 bolts using a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket and take the motor out. Then we have to remove the inner door handle. So remove the inner door handle using a flat blade screwdriver. You just have to pull that tab towards you and then lift that plastic up while you keep pulling that tab. So pull that tab towards you using a small flat blade screwdriver and grab the gray plastic and pull it up. If you can see, there's a small tab inside the door handle. Remove those cables from the door and then remove it from the handle. Then disconnect the connector from the speaker. In our case, if you can see, it's missing. We don't have speakers on this door. Then you have to remove those 10mm bolts. So remove all the bolts using a 10mm socket. Then remove the plastic cap using a flat blade screwdriver. Just pop it out. Remove the black panel using a flat blade screwdriver. Rotate clockwise to release the white plastic from the window regulator. So use the flat blade screwdriver to take it out. Then remove the cables from the black panel just to gain more space to take the window regulator out. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to remove it. And if you have more space, you can remove the window regulator. So this is the window regulator, and you have a 10mm bolt, or you can remove it using a Phillips screwdriver. So remove the bolt from the window regulator. So this is the bolt. Then lift the window up and then lower it down just to take the window regulator out. The window regulator removal procedure is just the same for the all doors, front and rear. Now you can lower the window. Be careful not to break it. So this is the window regulator. You can find window regulator in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.